Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
What is your dating intentions? Long term? What type of relationship are you looking for? What?
Top one.
How do you know?
Non-monogamy means you want 2 girlfriends, Chet.
Okay. If that's what I want. I don't want to just
You're white, bro.
bet. Oh, bet. Oh, that's 7%. That's yeah.
7%.
Where's your hometown? You don't need. Where do you work? What the freak? What the freak? It's the highest level. Oh. Do you drink? No. Do you smoke? No. Show off the person behind the profile with pics, videos, and prompts. Boom. Boom, boom. No, we're putting this one in front. My jaw looking magnificento. Boom. Write your profile answers, select a unusual skills. Mad good at sucking hot dogs. Also,
No.
twerking. I want to be the goodest boy.
Then choose a different one.
We going with it.
Oh no, actually, Maddox, put the one where it says, "Are you a dog person?" Because, and then in the audio, just start barking.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, yeah, leave it, leave it, leave it.
What? First, we want to learn about who you're looking for. Much about yourself. Subscribers go on 3 times as many dates. I don't want to go on
Just
many
press maybe
dates.
later.
All done. Let's see who catches your eye. Uh, 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 uh. Oh, she's bad. Oh, she's so bad. Let's just like, can I view profile?
You click on your picture.
Oh wait, it's the first one.
It's so long, bro. It takes so long.
What is this? That what? Matt good at, dude. No, they're setting me up for failure, bro. Oh, you slide down. I want to be the goodest boy with the
That's
alpha
perfect
shirt
right
on
below that
next.
picture. No, look it right below the
I
picture.
know
Look
this
at
is tough.
no,
This is
no, no,
tough.
no, not that picture. The picture above it. That
Oh
one fits
wait,
so
no, all of
much.
this is perfect. Low key. Oh no. For mommy to call me good boy and hand feed me treats. That's it. No, this shark tough. This shark tough. See someone you're into? Send a like to help us learn more about. Nah, she's actually trying, bro. Oh my. Wait, so how do
Yeah,
I?
a lot of these people actually want to find dates, bro.
What do I do? I like
Click
or not like it?
send a like, yeah.
What the f?
No, not Rose, not Rose. That's you get one of those per week, I'm pretty sure.
We're sending a like. God! Why do they all have? Yeah. Okay.
I had myself up by looking at myself in the mirror. Oh, look at her ass.
What?
Look at her ass.
No, she's too scary,
Nah.
bro.
Maddox, you just say dominate me. Do the crying emoji. No, do the crying and the praying hands. The praying hands.
This one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is this Riz? Is this Riz?
Yeah. Send it.
Oh no.
Make sure you let them know you're fresh.
Yo, low-key, hear me out. We comment on.
Maddox, you had. Oh, I
Silent
thought I said
skip.
cake, bro.
Huh?
I thought I said I go crazy for cake, and you have a bunch of like.
Oh hell no.
That dog is
She's
so
got a
beautiful.
cute little
Oh, it's so cute.
Is the dog on?
A friend review of me.
If Annabelle was gay, I'd hit that. That's all you gotta know.
It's so lame. Same, just put same at the end. Same.
Same.
No, or say if I was gay, I'd hit that.
Nah, just say.
Whoa, holy. You're tall, hot, and wear a I don't know.
Look it
I
up.
have no idea what the freak
what's a
that is.
Stetson?
Okay, good.
That's a straw hat.
Straw hat.
Go to images, Maddox.
Oh, it ain't even that
Okay.
cool.
Cowboy hat. So she's in the Cowboys, yeah. Skip, red flag.
Oh.
Why did...
I def could. Just saying. Just saying.
I go crazy
Goes
for.
crazy for cats.
She's a bartender. What the f?
My love language is Roblox.
No, she's addicted to cats.
Maddox, say I heart your cat too. Reply to that one thing. You have it on there. No, it's on your recent. No, not the wink.
The wink is funnier.
Like, yeah, I don't know.
The wink's funnier.
Keep.
She got a beautiful smile.
Oh, hell no. That's such a red flag.
I'm from Texas, chat.
You're not a cowboy.
Yes, I am. Yeehaw,
No,
matey.
you're not. Just like you're not Mexican, bro.
Yes, I am, bro. I'm 7%. That means I'm 93% cowboy.
So if I stuck 7% of my penis
Hey
in
guys,
you,
so I have my friend who's gonna be
you got
reviewing me.
fucked, huh?
Yeah, if I stuck 7% of me and your sister, how would you like them apples?
Hey guys, so I have my friend who's gonna be reviewing me. Say hi. Hi. Say she's kind. She's kind. She's so cool. She is so cool. So
That's
funny.
actually kind of funny,
No, you can't.
but like they did it so horribly. Don't send it. That's such a waste. I don't want no slut either, bro.
Uh-huh. Yo. 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 Is she bad?
Wait, scroll up. She's low key a W. Oh,
Yeah, I was
this
about to
is worth a
say.
rose, low key.
Huh?
This is worth a rose, low key. If you're down.
Nah, but I gotta go
would
in
do it.
swinging. I gotta go in swinging somehow. Oh my. Wait. Oh my. Oh my. Hear me out. Hear me out to the max. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Is current.
Flawless. We're going with it. We're going with it. Boom. Rose. Boom.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.